In this video, I will be showing you how to install Grok 3 on Windows 11. Let's get started. First, I open up a new tab in my web browser and click on the search bar. I type in Grok and press enter to look it up on Google. From the search results, I look for the main link for Grok and click directly on it. This brings me straight to the official website at grok.com. Once the page loads, a prompt appears at the bottom asking to accept cookies. I go ahead and click on the Accept All Cookies button to clear that out of the way. Now, looking at the top right corner of the page, I find the Sign In button and click it to log into my account. The page starts redirecting and setting up the access. After a brief moment, I am successfully logged in and brought to the main Grok dashboard interface. From here, I navigate all the way to the top right corner of the browser window and click on the three vertical dots to open up the browser's main options menu. I scroll down the list until I find the Cast, Save, and Share option and click on it. This opens up a side menu with more choices. In this sub-menu, I locate and click on the button that says Install Grok. A small confirmation pop-up window immediately appears at the top center of the screen, asking if I want to install the app. I click the blue Install button to finalize the process. The web app instantly transforms and launches into its own dedicated desktop application window, seamlessly integrated with Windows. To test it out, I click inside the search bar that asks what you want to know. I type in a prompt, asking it to teach me how to become a better public speaker, even if I am shy. After typing it all out, I click on the black arrow button to send the query. The application starts working on the request immediately. Within seconds, it begins generating a highly detailed, comprehensive guide right on the screen. It covers reframing your mindset, preparation strategies to reduce anxiety, delivery techniques, and practical daily routines to build skill fast. The installation is fully complete, and the app is completely ready for daily use. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.